Hi, this is Sokan. Welcome to Sokan's Crochet. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet Tunisian stitch for beginners. So let's start it. Start the slip knot and multiple of 2 chains. Insert your hook into the second chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop. Repeat in all chains. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the second stitch and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Hold the first loop and pull the other 3 loops through this loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Hold the first loop and pull the other 3 loops through this loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Hold the first loop, pull the other 3 loops through this loop and repeat. Three times. Insert your hook into the last stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch and pull up loop. Insert your hook into this stitch and pull up loop. Insert your hook into this stitch and pull up loop and repeat. Repeat until you get to the desired size. If the video was useful to you, please like and subscribe for more video tutorials. See you soon!